In this video, I'm going to show you how to add gradient to text in Photopea. Start by opening your project and ensuring that your text is already created and placed correctly on the canvas. You can move the text anywhere you want using the Move tool. Once the text is positioned, select the text layer from the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. With the text layer selected, right-click on it and choose Blending Options from the menu. A new window will appear containing various styling options. From this window, select Gradient Overlay. As soon as you enable it, you will see a gradient applied to your text, but it still needs customization. First, adjust the angle of the gradient depending on how you want it to appear. Setting the angle to 90 degrees applies the gradient from top to bottom, while setting it to 0 degrees applies it from left to right. Next, click on the Gradient Preview box to customize the colors. You will see two default color points, usually black and white. Since white often blends into the background, select it and change it to any color you prefer using the color picker, then click OK. If you want more than two colors in your gradient, you can easily add them. Simply double-click anywhere below the gradient bar to add a new color point, choose a color, and confirm it. You can repeat this step to add as many colors as needed. You can also drag these color points left or right to control how much of each color appears within the text. Once you are satisfied with the gradient appearance, click OK to apply the effect permanently, and this is how you can add gradient to text in Photopea.